Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The Ikea Parkla is a great storage idea for storing stuff under your bed or even shelves, and the price is a real bargain. This storage is a bit different to the other similar ones sold by Ikea. They usually have reinforced sidewalls, and thus making them more expensive than this one, which does not have any reinforced sidewalls. The nearest one that comes close to this one is called the Stuck, shown here, and cost about £7 as opposed to the £1.75p of the cheap one. It occurred to me, why not use all the cardboard packaging that comes with all the IKEA products and use them to make the sidewall? I decided to cut up one of the long sheets of cardboard packaging from another item that I had purchased to make the sidewalls for this plastic storage. I did this with the help of my daughter of 6, and served as a great teaching exercise for her, as well as benefiting from an upgraded storage box. Win-win situation, I thought. If you're like me, who enjoys buying organizational stuff from IKEA, you will have many of these cardboard packaging lying around for this little mini project. Here is a pic of the completed cardboard sidewalls that I've cut to size, and it fits snug inside the plastic storage. I was quite surprised with how this held up, and so I decided to do another one while training my daughter with the use of ruler and tape measure. At first she didn't understand length and width, but she eventually got it. The cardboard piece that I was using was just long enough to make the two sidewalls, so we needed to cut up two pieces as shown. Here are the dimensions of the sidewalls. It is about 1 centimeters less than the dimensions provided for this product that you will find online. The length of the cardboard was about 106 centimeters, which was about the size of two sidewalls. You may have lengths shorter or longer than this, and you can always attach the pieces by taping with duct tape and bending it in at the corners. The total time to do this was less than 15 minutes, and you get to reuse cardboards that you would normally throw away. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. I'm not affiliated with IKEA, and I do this for the benefit of my viewers. Please support my channel by giving me a thumbs up and subscribing. It helps me to grow my channel and provide you with more useful reviews like this. Thank you very much for watching, and see you again soon. Bye bye.